Hello guys, today we're going to talk about prime numbers and composite numbers. A prime number is any number that can be divided by two numbers only, and the two numbers are 1 and the number itself. So for a number to be called prime, it should be divided by 1 and the number itself. If it cannot be divided by 1 and itself, it is not a prime number. Let's take, for example, the number 2. Numbers that can go evenly into 2 without leaving a remainder are 1. 1 divides into 2 two times without leaving a remainder, and 2 also goes into 2 without leaving a remainder. Those are the only two numbers that can be divided into 2 without leaving a remainder. Therefore, 2 is a prime number. So 2 is prime. That if a number can be divided by more than 1 and the number itself, we call it a composite number. So let's take, for example, 4. There are 4 numbers that can go into 4 without leaving a remainder, and the first number is 1. 1 goes into 4 4 times. 2 also goes into 4 2 times without leaving a remainder, and 4 also goes into 4 without leaving a remainder. As you can see, this number has more than 1 and itself that can be divided into it. Therefore, it is composite. Another example of a prime number is 1. The only two numbers that can be divided into 1 are 1 and 1. Therefore, 1 is prime. What do you think of 10? Do you think 10 is a prime or a composite number? Good job if you said composite, because 1 goes into 10 without leaving a remainder. So does 2 and 5 and 10 itself. Therefore, 10 is a composite number. So this is the difference between a prime number and a composite number. Remember, for a number to be called prime, it should only be divided by 1 and the number itself. If it cannot be divided by 1 and the number itself, it is called a composite number. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will see you in the next video where we are going to talk about prime factorization. Bye.